Hi and welcome to More Than Violin. I'm so glad you're here and interested in learning everything about the violin. Today I'm excited to dive into one of the most important topics for violinists, the right hand and bow technique, especially for crossover music. In this episode I'll share 8 essential tips and techniques to help you to know your bowing skills. Let's get started. Holding the bow. The way you hold your bow is fundamental. Everyone develops their own style, but the key is to keep your fingers round, relaxed, and flexible. A stiff hand will make it harder to control your sound. Let your fingers react naturally to the bow's movement. Détaché. Détaché is all about creating a strong, clear sound. Use the full bow, but stop around 20 centimeters before the frog and the tip and use a little bit of pressure to get a thicker sound. This technique is perfect for pop and rock music. It gives the sound fullness and clarity. A great example is the string part by the group Destiny's Child, Survivor. Martelé. Martelé involves shorter controlled strokes with a strong attack at the beginning and a release after on each note. Use the weight of your right arm and your index finger to create attack at the beginning on every down and up bow. You can hear this technique in Rather Be by Clean Bandit. Spiccato. Spiccato is a short, crisp stroke where the bow starts from the string and ends off the string. The best bow position is quite close to the frog and it has a percussive quality and works great in energetic pieces. Think of Smooth Criminal by Michael Jackson. This technique is perfect for this vibe. Sautillé. Sautillé is a rapid controlled bouncing bow stroke. The key is to find the bow's natural balance point where it jumps on its own. Most of the time a little bit under the middle, but every bow reacts differently. Your wrist drives this movement. It's all about being relaxed but controlled. Moto Perpetuum by Niccolo Paganini, or the famous song in Pulp Fiction movie Misirlou, or The Storm from the Four Seasons by Antonio Vivaldi is a great example. Pizzicato. Pizzicato uses your right hand but without the bow. Stabilize your hand by placing your thumb on the edge of the fingerboard and pluck the strings with your index finger. This technique is often used in hip hop or R&B. Think of the groove in a Dr. Dre track, the next episode. I know it's original, I think played by a guitar, but maybe you want to create a new version with your violin. Legato. Legato is the technique of playing multiple notes in a single bow stroke, creating a smooth, connected sound. It's the best for ballads or slower songs where you need to create a soft, atmospheric background. There are many songs by Whitney Houston or other great artists with great ballads. Tremolo. Tremolo is played at the tip of the bow with very fast, short strokes. The movement comes from your wrist and it creates an intense shimmering effect. It's perfect to add an interesting layer with it and changing it up with different rhythms. You've definitely heard this technique in many famous pieces. I hope you enjoyed this quick tour through bow techniques. Experiment with different bow strokes, lengths, and contact points to find your own unique sound. In music, there's no absolute right or wrong. What matters is what feels right to your soul. If you have any questions or want to share your favorite bowing techniques, drop a comment below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss the next episode. Keep creating beautiful music, and I'll see you next time on More Than Violin. Bye.